Hello guys, good morning. Dito tayo sa Brisbane, Australia. Tara, samahan nyo akong gumala sa city nila. Dito guys, sasakay na kami ng bus papuntang city. Ito yung mga kasama ko. Pumipila pa kami guys. Mahaba. Yung isa busy sa ano niya. Kaway-kaway dyan, kaway-kaway. Papunta ng city. Ito ring isa oh. Ayan. Bagong followers natin yan.
2, 3, 4. No, he's right. He's right. Yeah, we'll go with that. You want to go with him? Okay, that's all right.
Hello guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Brisbane, Australia. So ito na yung city nila. Tara ikutin natin.
Linlo, before you came here? Huh? No. Yeah. What? No, yes.
Tawid.
Wait, let us
Kaway-kaway.